product is? Nothing. I haven't received any products. So I did email them saying that like I don't want to receive the items that I already received. I want whatever items were missing. So you want to know like what's the reply I got? Hello beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this beauty right here. This is a Boxycharm and this is a premium box, and I have got this for the first time. And for all the first timers out there, so Boxycharm premium is $35 a month and you would be getting around value of $175 or more, so which is amazing. So this is first time me getting the Boxycharm premium. So without further ado, let's get to the video. But before we dive in, welcome to my channel, and if you're stopping by for the first time, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and click on a notification bell, and please give this video a big thumbs up. Let's dive in. I received this beauty on August 6th. So let's dive in. The first beauty I see is this one. This looks pretty beat up. So this is how it came. This doesn't look good. Okay, so this beauty right here, this is Morphe Glam Palette. The colors are pretty, but I think the packaging has been pretty beat up. So there is like a lot of fallout. This could be because of the shipment, I'm not really sure. Morphe Mani Glam Palette. Price on this beauty is $20. About this, are you ready to go glam with Mani? This mirrored palette pairs up 12 wearable anything but basic eyeshadows in matte and shimmer finishes with 2 stunning highlighters. Yes, you have got every reason to be shook. Now time for the juicy reviews. The first one says, colors were nice, really wanted to like this. I had never tried Morphe before, but the eyeshadows didn't apply that well and the color load was not even noticeable. This palette will probably go to my 12-year-old. Okay. The next one says, I haven't even tried it yet and I already love it. I love Morphe and I love Mani. Love the color story. This was a good choice to include in all the boxes. Oh, the next one says, love playing with this palette. Builds well, lasts all day and doesn't crease for my skin. That's awesome. The next one says, I love this palette. The payoff is great and the formula is great. There isn't anything you wouldn't love about this. That's awesome reviews. So looks like some do love it and some don't. Some said the color payoff is not that great. And next we have this beauty right here. This is the Bro Bar by Rima Hollywood Icon collection. Okay, so this is how it looks. Look at this packaging. It looks like a gold bar. About this beauty, Bro Bar by Rima Hollywood Icon Face Kit Drama Queen retails for $45. About this product, Bombshell, get ready for your close-up with Bro Bar by Rima Hollywood Icon Face Kit in Drama Queen. Each palette comes with bronzer, translucent powder, 2 shades of blush, 2 shades of highlighter, 4 shades of eyeshadows, and a brush. Now time for the juicy reviews. The first one says, Not a fan. Too many similar palettes out in the market already. Okay, the next one says, did not like this at all. No pigment and awful shades. Okay, the next one. This palette was amazing. The display, the colors, and the performance. The next one says, this palette is amazing. The colors are stunning. Great for travel. Okay, looks like some people do love it and some don't, and it's really great for traveling, and the colors are stunning. So some don't like it and some do. Okay, the next product is this beauty right here. This is the Boxycharm. It has like Boxycharm engraved on it. So this is the bag. So this is how it looks, but it smells kind of plasticky. And the fourth product is nothing. I haven't received any products. Those are only 3 products I got. So I did reach out to them saying that, hey, I did not receive all the products. So these are only the 2 palettes that I received in the bag. So I'm going to apply this eyeshadow right here, and I'm going to go over like what actually happened with them. So I'm going to go with this Fire Witch right here, and I'm going to apply this to my crease. So I did email them saying that, hey, I did not receive all the items, so these are only the 2 items that I got. And then they replied to me saying that, okay, we'll replace those 2 palettes. I was like, what? I already received these 2 palettes, and why would you replace those items? And I replied them saying that, why would I want to receive like the items that I already received? So this is how it looks, and I would want to go with this Pigmenta over my crease. So I did email them saying that like I don't want to receive the items that I already received. So I suppose like I should be getting 6 to 8 items, and I'm not sure what are the items that you sent me. So I want whatever items were missing. So you want to know like what's the reply I got? They sent me email saying that, okay, now just send us the photo of the items that have been damaged, like the picture of that, and we will send the new ones. I was like, I don't even have the products. All I received is 2 products. I don't know what are the other products that was sent to me, and if that was damaged, I don't even have it. So how would I answer that? I was like, this is painful. Over my lower lash with the same color and putting the brush like this. I'm going to take this beauty right here. It is a dust cloud, and going to use that as a transition shade. And I'm going to go back with this beauty right here, Spellbound mixed with Howl. This is Howl, so just a tad bit, very little, and I just want to intensify my outer corners. I'm just applying like very light pressure. Okay, now I'm going to go back to this beauty right here. This is Bro Bar by Rima, and going to go with this beauty. I'm going with this one right here, just as my transition shade. Now this one. Wow, it's a pretty color. I'm going to use right here to my inner corners. It's really pretty, and even the color payoff is good. Okay, and now I'm going to go back to my Morphe palette, and blend that gold shadow with this pigment, just a tad bit. I'm taking that. It gives like really nice kind of pink when these two colors are mixed. Pigmenta with dust cloud. I like that color. Apply this Nova to my brow bone and Apollo as my highlighter. And I'm going to complete my eye look with the eyeliner and also the mascara, and I'll be back. So this is the look. So I used this beauty right here. This is L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Original, and this is in the color blue. And for the my lower lash line I used Color Pop, and this is in the color teaspoon. I mean it's green.